So I've arrived at Nha Trang. Nha Trang is a seaside town. It's a bit of a tourist town, and the main theme is the beach. It's just a nice place to come and relax by the palm trees, you know, drink out of a coconut and go for a swim. Most of the hotels around here are really cheap. The one I'm staying in is particularly cheap, $20 a night. Comes with a rooftop pool and sort of play area, comes with a nice bath in the room. The rooms are brilliant. Nha Trang is a nice change from Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh is just absolute madness, just people crawling over the top of each other, jam-packed in there, 9 million people in such a small area. Nha Trang is just a chill seaside tourist town, and I can tell already that there's the main part of town where everybody lives, and then there's the seaside part, the resort part, which is quite large, where all the tourists come and all the tourist industry is. The only stuff around here is hotels and services for tourists. So it really is a little tourist town. For me personally, for the 5 days I'm here, that's exactly what I was after. I know that sounds counterintuitive, you know, I'm on a trip around the world, I'm trying to see new things, but Nha Trang was my downtime. Nha Trang is like 5 days where I can just relax, get some bookings done, all the things I didn't have time to do in the scramble, in the lead up to leaving for the trip, I can do now, you know, and just relax. So Nha Trang is my poolside, beachside vacation. Hey, so this morning I'm doing a motorbike tour of Nha Trang with Thomas, my tour guide. So we're just cruising around. That's my bike there. Thomas is just getting ready now. So here we are at some rice paddies, and isn't this absolutely stunning? What a view. Just driving around in the countryside at the moment, and Vietnam is a really beautiful country.
Yeah, it's ready for harvest. Yeah, see, rice. So this morning we harvest this field, and then next morning we go to harvest this. So this rice field belong to the farmer here, who live around here, not belong to the government. But you know, like during the rainy season, the farmer they will harvest the rice before rain coming. So they will finish from the bottom to the top until at the bottom they will make one more rim to surround it, and then they will start sell it like this. Yeah, with the double rim. So it's called one by one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you know after they finish serving, I will apply the waterproof varnish. So you know from beginning until the end. To complete it, it takes more than 2 hours, 30 minutes to make one. Say you like Iron Man. Very Okay, you close the blade. Don't worry. Good rồi, tạo cái suy nghĩ.
That's very sad.
No, that's great. First time. One more.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's ready, Richard. Watch out for finger. Yeah, see how it turned out. I told you it's perfect.
Okay, so we're at the Thumlam Pagoda, and this is a giant Buddhist statue. As you can see, the thing is absolutely massive. So I'm currently walking through a cemetery, and it's pretty elaborate here. Some pretty amazing designs on these little tombs. Okay, so that's it for the cemetery. Back on the bikes. It's been kind of weird riding a motorbike. I'm not used to riding bikes. It's been a long time since I've been on a motorbike, and I was thrust straight into the action. Within a few short minutes, we were in a busy market street, navigating people walking out in front of bikes, and then shortly after that, into busy roads. The people here are used to being on bikes, and they're used to pulling out in front of each other, and they're used to getting in nice and close. I have been struggling a little bit. Been trying to keep up with the tour guide. Every now and again he's had to slow down for me, but it's just a little bit crazy. I think I've got the hang of it now, so hopefully no incidents happen today. Okay, so now we've stopped at a place that processes coconuts, and I think we're going to try some. Wow, that's good. And that is the fresh coconuts. Wow, I'm gonna try some.
How was it?
Wow, That is really nice. Who needs a spoon? So I just crossed that bridge and it is scary. There's a guy at the start of the gate and he's holding some money and you pay to get across. But once you're on the bridge, it only narrowly fits 2 bikes going one in each direction. Very, very scary stuff.
You guys know that this bridge is well built by the local family. That's why everyone, when they cross the bridge, they have to pay for the toll fee. So 3,000, 1 motorbike, 1 round.
So here we are at a place that weaves traditional style mats. And as you can see, it's very labor intensive, but it produces some beautiful looking mats and it is in the traditional style. So it's great to see this practice is still living on, even in an age of large factories and automation.
So this is happening in our family for like 35 years. Yeah. And they are like the second generation passing from her mom. So they one day they can whip about like 8 to 10 meters a day. So it takes about like 8
Wow.
to 10 pieces. Yeah. There you go.
That's the bike I'm riding today. Just went over a bridge that only fits the width of 1 bike and only by a few centimeters on each side, so that was kind of harrowing. It's been an interesting experience. So far, no dramas. Still on the bike. There's my tour guide.
Hello.
Absolute legend. He's taken me over some pretty crazy spots, like a bridge that only fits of 1 bike.
Yeah.
That was fun. But no, so whereabouts are we headed now?
We go to visit the Portugal Champa. This is the Hindu temple.
Hey guys, today I'm at Ponga, Nha Trang, which is a complex of Champa relics left behind by the Champa kingdom, a Hindu kingdom from around the 7th to 13th century. And as you can see, these are some pretty impressive structures. Finally back at the hotel room. That was a really big day out, saw some fantastic things. Big shout out to Thomas from Vietnam Motorcycle Tour. He did an amazing job showing me the sights and took me to some places that I wouldn't have seen otherwise if I didn't have a local to show me the inside scoop. So big shout out to Thomas. Thank you very much for today. It was amazing.